Hi, welcome to Beverly Vacuum TV. I'm Peter Thomas, Beverly's vacuum cleaner expert. We have a full line of Miele vacuum cleaners. Look at them all. They're ready to be bought. Great shape. If you have allergies, if you have dog hair, if you have a lot of grit and sand, this is the vacuum cleaner for you. A metal motor, HEPA optional. Some machines actually do have a HEPA filter. If you need vacuum cleaner bags, we have a full table full of Miele vacuum cleaner bags. So come on down to 414 Rantoul Street in Beverly, Massachusetts. Our phone number is 978-927-8003. If you're not close to Beverly and you want to place an order, go online to beverlyvacuum.com. You can order online. We give you a 14-day money-back guarantee. Full line of Miele products right on our website, and we actually will give you free shipping, whether you buy a Miele vacuum cleaner or you buy some bags or a filter or an accessory. So come on down to Beverly Vacuum at 414 Rantoul Street in Beverly, or go to beverlyvacuum.com to place your order now.